You got that off
Take
there
that
yet?
off.
You ain't got that off there
Are you
yet.
taking a goddamn video of me? I can't fix a flat. I don't know if it pops off or screws off. Bless it. Look now. I want you to make a fucking YouTube video.
How to get the top off of Fix-A-Flat. Don't worry about having a flat tire and getting Fix-A-Flat. It's getting it in the tire.
How to fix a flat tire when your husband's going shrimping. Hashtag YouTube.
How many times you want to screw that around?
I don't know until it comes off. Oh, he'll come up, hit me right between the eyelids. Oh God. Is it like a medicine bottle? Push down and turn? Do we need to call somebody? Call Pete, call Joey.
Call roadside assistance to come open the can of Fix-A-Flat.
Wait, I have that.
What?
Roadside assistance.
You should have called them.
I don't know if I'm supposed to take it off of the plastic and the black, or maybe it's that. Maybe I need to hold there.
Finally, after 5 minutes. You don't know this, but I was watching 5 minutes before I started video.
That you